Planet Venus is one of the most hostile planets orbiting the Sun, with scorching surface temperatures and crushing atmospherics. But a groundbreaking new study may have just found evidence Venus clouds could sustain extraterrestrial life forms. According to a new study published in the science journal Astrobiology, the mix of pressure, temperature, and chemistry in Venus's atmosphere could be a thriving environment for life. Because Venus appears to resemble Earth in both size and mass, scientists for a long time assumed the planet might be Earth-like in many more aspects. But with surface temperatures typically sitting around 470 degrees Celsius and an atmosphere 97% composed of carbon dioxide and pressure 90 times that of Earth, the reality could not be any different. However, the team of researchers behind the study have ignored the inhospitable surface and instead looked about 30 miles off the ground at Venus's clouds. The study says, our comparative analysis support the blended hypothesis that terrestrial-type biology can survive within and contribute to the spectral signatures of Venus clouds. The idea that Venus could be a second hotbed of life in the solar system is not entirely a new idea. Scientists believe a younger Venus was a much more Earth-like planet of vast oceans which mysteriously vanished some 650 million to 2 billion years after the planet's formation. The study has now suggested Venus' atmosphere contains all the right conditions for alien microorganisms to thrive, and there is ample precedent found on Earth. The paper says several terrestrial microorganisms could serve as relevant analogs for life in Venus's clouds, which are sulfuric acid enriched, anaerobic, and iron-containing environments. On Earth, airborne and cultivatable microorganisms have been found with specialized aircraft and balloons at altitudes ranging from 15 to 42 kilometers. The study makes the case that at altitudes of 30 miles or so, pressures drop to levels seen in the seas on Earth and temperatures drop to a sweltering but acceptable 60 degrees Celsius. And microbial life on Earth has been proven to survive harsher conditions. For instance, the bubbling springs of Kamchatka in Siberia are a hotbed for microbes inhabiting the around 100 degrees Celsius waters. On Earth, bacteria have also been found thriving at altitudes up to 25 miles. With these figures in mind, Venus seemingly fits the bill for a planet to sustain basic life forms. Rakesh Moghul, a co-author of the paper and professional of biological chemistry at California State Polytechnic University, said in a statement, "On Earth, we know that life can thrive in very acidic conditions, can feed on carbon dioxide, and produce sulfuric acid." According to Dr. Moghul, Venus's atmosphere is comprised mostly of carbon dioxide and water droplets mixed with sulfuric acid. Planetary scientist Sanjay Lamay of the University of Wisconsin-Madison Space Science and Engineering Center also suggests that nature has given the planet plenty of time to evolve life, around 2 billion years. He says, Venus has had plenty of time to evolve life on its own. That's much longer than is believed to have occurred on Mars. A series of probes between 1962 and 1978 were sent to Venus to explore the planet for signs of life. The findings at the time did not exclude microbial life from existing at altitudes between 25 and 27 miles. But Dr. Moghul noted the only way to truly test Venus for signs of microbial life is to physically sample the planet's clouds. The experts said to really know, we need to go there and sample the clouds. Venus could be an exciting new chapter in astrobiology exploration. Well, everybody, this is exciting news to say the least about potential life being found on Venus. I think it's a very exciting prospect. Thank you all for watching, and remember, we believe.